this looks really good. Let's add a little bit of cilantro. Wow, I just love it. Hello friends, let's make potato curry with tomatoes. We're gonna have potatoes, tomatoes, spinach, spices, and it's going to be yummy. So let's get cooking. Here we got cumin seeds, mustard seeds. These add flavor to the oil. Here I've got 3 green chillies. Let's chop them into small bits. Slice this into fine pieces. The pan is nice and hot. Now we could add the onions. Green chilies. I like to add the ginger garlic, but I don't have any. It's time to go to the grocery store. I like to slice the tomatoes into thin slices. Oh, look at this. This looks really fresh, straight from the tree. Tomatoes. I like to first add all the vegetables and then start spicing them up. Let's place the lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Here I have 5 potatoes which have been washed. I don't like to peel the potatoes because they have a lot of protein in them. It will make it easy to consume. I have some spinach which I used earlier. Let's add this to the potato curry. It's now time to add the spices. Turmeric powder as always. Some chili powder, I like mine to be nice and spicy. This is garam masala. And I also have sabji masala. Not to forget some salt. All the spices you could add according to your taste. You could like it to be spicy, you can add a little more of it. I like a little bit of lemon and pepper seasoning. Wow, this is coming out really good. One cup of water. Let's check for the salt. Just right. Give this a good mix and we could let it cook for about 10 minutes. Let's see how far it has come. Wow, this looks really good. Let's add a little bit of cilantro. Wow, I just love it. If you love the video, please like, comment and subscribe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.